Hi y'all, and welcome to my front porch. It's not very big, but it's mine and I love it. So today we're going to be doing a summer porch decor, and I'm so excited because I got all my stuff at Dollar Tree except for one thing, and I'm sorry, that's not true. I got it all at Dollar Tree except for two things I got at Five Below and one thing from Amazon. So it is on a budget. It's going to be really cute. I am so excited to do it. I wanted to go with something a little bit different. I was in Dollar Tree and got my inspiration for it. So yeah. Also, today's video, I'm so excited for this, is in collaboration with Faith over at Faith's Life. If you do not know her, you have got to go over to her channel and check her out. She is just so much fun. She's very upbeat, she's peppy, she does fun things like Weight Watchers recipes. She has a really cool style, and in the way that she decorates and things, she likes bright colors. Now, I just love watching her stuff. She is just so energetic and motivating. I'm going to take a moment and let her introduce herself.
Hey everybody, I'm Faith and the name of my channel is Faith's Life. First, I'd like to thank Rachel for doing this collaboration with me. I live in North Carolina. I am a wife and mother to 3 girls. My channel consists of all things homemaking. I might even throw in a little Weight Watchers or a vlog here and there. I'd love it if you would head over after watching Rachel's video, and would very much love for you to subscribe if you enjoy my video.
We're going to start this video off by cleaning today because we've had so much yucky weather, tornadoes, storms, that kind of thing, and everything was just muddy and dirty, and so I just needed to give everything just a really good scrub down. So that's what we're doing. I was just going to mention I got this rug last year at Five Below and it was $5. I was there recently and they do have similar rugs. They're the same rugs, but they're a little bit different pattern. If you're interested, you can go to Five Below and pick one up. As you may have noticed, I have a little helper today. I was so glad to have her over today. She stayed with me all day and was such a big help to me, but there were some baby lizards that she rescued out of my rug, and I was so glad she was there because I did not have to pick them up, and she loves junk like that. Ugh, gross. I can't stand stuff like that, but she loves it, and she got her little bowl and collected her 7 little baby lizards. We don't know where the mom was. But anyway, thank you, Lakin, for all your help today.
To remember
So I'm the black widow of all plants. They hate me, and I can just walk by them and they will just wilt and die. It's awful. My friends and family know not to get me plants or flowers because I'll kill them. I don't know what I do, but I am just not good at it. So I had thought, well, I'll go to Walmart and get some ferns to put in these. Like, surely ferns can't be that hard to care for, right? But I was told that they need tons of water, and we were going to be gone on vacation after I filmed this for like 12 days, and so I knew that they would die. So I was trying to find something creative to put in the pots that would not have to be watered or taken care of. So I found these leis at Dollar Tree, and I thought that would be so cute, and I thought it would go like really cute with the flamingos too. So I was so happy with how these pots turned out. I am loving the bright pops of pink in this. If you're coming over from Face Life, I just want to take a moment and thank you so much for coming over and hanging out with me today. Please consider hitting that red subscribe button and the bell so that you can become part of my community, and also you'll know when I have upcoming videos. I have more fun summer decor coming up and you won't want to miss it. I slowed this clip down so that y'all could see what happened when I was pushing this flamingo down. The flamingo leg almost impaled my hand. It scared the holy snot out of me. Y'all be careful of the killer flamingos out there. This part of my yard used to be a flower bed. However, y'all know I'm not good with flowers, and it was full of overgrown shrubs and things, so I just had my husband pull it out, and it's kind of an eyesore, but we are planning on getting some pavers and filling that in to make a little sitting area there. So just in the meantime, to cover up the eyesore, I just go ahead and put like a couple chairs and a rug out there, and people don't focus on the ugly part for right now. But I really enjoy sitting out here in the morning having a cup of coffee because my front door faces a cow pasture, and a lot of times there's a little baby cows over there hanging out, so I like to come out and have coffee and watch them in the mornings. Y'all, these flamingos and bright colors are bringing me so much joy. I am absolutely loving how this turned out. I think it is so cute. Y'all make sure that you leave some comments down below. I love interacting with y'all and getting to know y'all. And make sure that you go over to my friend Faith's channel, show her some love, subscribe to her channel, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.